Hello everyone. As we know, a healthy body is a vessel for a great thought, unique ideas, and a heart. In today's life, especially in the condition of pandemic like COVID-19, it is quite necessary to monitor the health parameters. But the idea of spending money and time on visiting labs just for the test is not affordable to everyone. So here, on behalf of my entire team, I, Abhishek Jaiswal, wanted to tell you that our team has came with an idea which can monitor various health parameters with ease and low cost. So let me tell you about our project. So our project is all about the measurement of the physical parameters like temperature, heart rate, blood oxygen level, ECG, and blood sugar level as well. So if we talk about the uniqueness of the idea, so our system is so simple that a normal person can easily operate it. It is equipped with a real-time monitoring system. So if someone wants to record it, they can store the data for the future references, or if they want to share the data to the physician, they can share it for the future consultation. So it can also be used in a small clinics like in villages via doctors for the measurement of the parameters for the villages. The main points of our projects are that it operates on both electricity as well as on battery. Due to small in size, it is very convenient to carry it. And in the case of emergency, it can be very useful. So let me talk about the affordability of the product. So due to availability of sensors and controllers components in a quite number, it is not so much expensive in cost. So at least everyone can afford it. It has very low maintenance and low power consumption. If you talk about the product cost, so as compared to other products available in the markets, which can cost you up to 25 to 30,000 for the entire kit, but here we are offering this product in the range of 7 to 8,000 only. So now let's talk about our strategy to execute the plan. So let me tell you guys, we already completed the stage one, in which we measured quantities like human body temperature, heart rate, and blood oxygen level, and we printed the results on via ThinkSpeak IoT platform and Blink IoT platform. In the second stage, we are working with the controllers and various sensors like ECG and blood sugar level sensors. Okay. So once the overall product is completed, we'll try to make a wonderful product out of it. So now let us talk about the time frame for the execution. So as we already completed our stage one, so it will require not more than 3 months to complete the overall project. So while completing a project, will require some sensors and controllers as well, and a small amount of investment. And now let's talk about the reason or why our idea should be selected or shortlisted. So, as we are working for the society and the individual, I personally believe that everyone should have a fine physique, healthy physique, and for that, evaluation and the testing, regular testing is necessary. So, if we can provide a solution for this, then I think it has to be implemented. And if we talk about the let's see a explanatory video about our project of stage one. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. So here is our project IoT-based health monitoring system. Mm, In this project, there is a sensor we used for measuring a heart rate and SpO2. and as well as body temperature. Max 30102. Here is a one monochrome AMOLED display and the DHT11 sensor. This project also consists two push buttons, one for sending a data over the internet and one for sending a alert email. This project also has two pins for the user switching. By this, multiple users can interface and separately save their data. So here we are connecting it to power. Now there is some startups. Here's a Max 30102 sensor and it's already on. Now here it is IoT. Now it's saying us for put our finger. If we put our finger, then it start reading it. Heart rate, like it's calculate heart rate, then it will show up. It will calculate SpO2, then it will show up. And body temperature is 36.11 and the temperature and humidity. Here is our code which we already uploaded, so we just need to power up our project. And here is our IoT platform which is a ThinkSpeak. So here our heart rate, and this one is our SpO2, and the graphical SpO2 meter which is 98 body temperature which is approx 37 degrees Celsius, which is very accurate. And here is our room temperature, room humidity, and this is a lamp for email alert. There are two channels in which this is for a patient number 1, and so in a ThinkSpeak, from data and import, we can also download our data of our patients separately, or patient 1 and patient 2 from here, and download it from here, so we can get a separate data, monthly data of our patients. Here it is showing put our finger, because we not put it finger over here. If we put finger here, then it will start calculating the data. Like now it's calculating. It will take some time for calculating a data. This is our DHT11 sensor. So this is our push button which is used to send data over internet. If we put finger over here and when we push this button, the data will start to send over the ThinkSpeak platform. So the very accurate and the precise data will be sent on our ThinkSpeak platform, and the CSV file will be accurate. And on this basis of CSV file, doctor can suggest about your health, which is okay or something you need to recover. Here is also a one button for sending an emergency mail to the doctor. If the patient will press this button, so doctor will get the email like this. We got a mail from this, in which it will we will share our contact and who we are to doctor. Okay, so this is our project, which is a IoT based health monitoring system based on a ESP32 microcontroller, which we are used for IoT and the sensor data processing.